What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Let's get started on this turn. I have no idea what to expect. Alright, good. Everything's still here. Remember last time we were building forts everywhere. We're going to continue with that. We're also going to continue moving this way. It looks like this English army is actually following me. Did they declare war on me? They are. They declared war on my unit that was here. It looks like England decided to come for me. I want to see if they're under siege or not. They are not under siege yet. Okay, so now I have to kill... I want to turn around and kill this army. Because they're heading towards me. A big army in there too.
At your service.
Continue moving our spy this way.
Moving quiet.
Yeah, see, look at that. They have that army in there as well.
What?
And I can't leave Deerwood undefended. Any missions? I don't have any missions right now. Sending this diplomat this way. It looks like an English diplomat from the computers heading over there. Don't really care about that. Okay, we're gonna build a fort. Here, let's go ahead and send that guy out. We're gonna have to train up some rabble or something later. Put that foot in that fort. But as of right now, we'll just leave that guy there for now. Okay, let's put a watchtower here. I can keep a watch on anything that comes over that way. And let's put a fort right about here. Yeah. Cost us 500 gold, but that's fine. And we'll send him back into the city for now. It looks like we also have David. Did he just come of age? He did. I'm also get another merchant. I'd like to get another merchant. Let's do it. Actually, it might be our first merchant. Yes, that's our first merchant. So these guys in here. There we go.
My king. Where to?
David, I would actually like to head out this way. General there, we have a general here. I'd like to have another general in this area. So we'll send him to High Guard.
Where to?
Alexander is a pretty decent guy to have in here, I guess. Okay.
My liege.
Put this fort about here. There we go. That should defend that easily. We'll send this guy up this way, defend that. Actually, maybe not so much expensive units, because we need probably cheaper units to put in there. We'll just leave him in there for now. We'll decide later on what to do with that. Now, we can't build anything. I'm really debating on whether or not I should fight this army. I just don't know that I could beat it with what I have. I wasn't prepared on England declaring war on me.
My king.
This guy retreated over this way. Interesting, because I moved him over here. That's the army that attacked him right there. King William himself actually attacked him. If I could kill King William, that would give me a huge advantage.
I am here only to fight thee.
I know it's not the best army, but my army is not that good either. I mean, I have these two units right here. These would probably be the backbone. But I could hold the line with these spear militia and fire. Yeah, let's give it a shot. We're gonna lose quite a lot of men, and they have a ballista, but if we can somehow get them into coming towards us, we should do fine. Gotta use these two guys right, though. I don't want either of them dying. Let's go for it. Can't auto-resolve. Okay. If we can hold the line with these spear units, and have these guys on the flanks, and flank around with... We'll put these guys on the line, these guys as well, and we'll flank around with these Highlanders. There's a quick movie that can get around the flanks easy. Also flank around with these guys as well. I'll put these guys on the far ranks. We'll put these guys up front at first, and maybe behind it. We'll put the mercenary crossbowmen up front, and then, yeah. Okay, let's go. You guys have been waiting to see a fight like this, so.
Kill them all.
Whew. Fought for their capital. England's a tough nut to crack, I know. They're going to be sitting on top of that hill.
Units, await my orders.
They absolutely will be sitting on top of that hill. If we go here, it looks like they won't be able to shoot us. Yeah. Well, maybe they will. I don't know. I don't know if that hill will protect us or not. What we have to do is get these guys right here. I know for a fact they're either going to be sitting there or there. Just depends on where. These guys all on the line. There's there. Each of you on the flank. Like so. Spread you out real thin. Okay. Just gotta get it the way I want it. Why does it move them around? I want them to stay where they are on the line. I move their unit cards around? I can't. This is not the later Total Wars. Okay, that's the way I want them. These guys in the back. These guys way out on the flanks, actually. I think they have some cavalry down, or they might not, I'm not sure. Put our king over here. Put our prince over this way. He's right where he should be, actually, right here. Hopefully he doesn't get shot. Let's get all of our archers together as well. We have quite a lot of them, which should help us in this fight, because they don't have that much. Yeah, that'll help us a lot, having those archers, for sure. It's mercenaries, and I think, do we have another? We should have another, there. Highlanders, okay. If we can get the English to flank around, or just attack in one general area, we should be able to flank around with these units fairly quickly. The Kerns, I want to stay right there. The Kerns, stay right there. Crossbows, I want to put you up the very front. Crossbow, I want the crossbows to like draw them into our fire. They're way the hell over here. Are you serious? Are they coming for me? No, they're gonna sit in the forest. If I had a trash unit, I would send them over here to hopefully draw them out. They are moving, but I think they're just adjusting their line. I am going to go ahead and move forward a little bit, probably to this little dip right here. So what I'm going to do is grab my units, Control M, I think is a control. It's like Alt something, right? No, how do I do it? Alt. How do I do it again? I need to move them forward. Lost game audio again. Okay, they should be moving. Let's just go ahead and speed up and see. I don't know why my game audio cuts out like this. I might have just muted the game, actually. I muted the game audio. Hang on. Yeah. I must have pressed something to mute the... Why is that an option? Who wants to do that? That's stupid. Okay, that's not the real position I wanted him in, though. The English are not going to come for us. They're going to sit at the back of the map. In a very unfortunate spot, actually. Way over here. It's going to decrease our archers' capability. Son of a bitch, that sucks. That really sucks. I need to get them out in the open field. I cannot attack them in that forest. If I move in with my horsemen or something, I'm going to lose a lot of men. I don't have a unit to throw in there. I want to keep all these units. The ballista's not going to be effective, though, where it is, so... Why is that an option to... Why is that a hotkey? I don't even know what hotkey it is, I'm just pressing it. freaking annoying. Trying to move my units in formation, and that's what I'm doing. Way the hell over here. Get out of the forest, you bastards! I don't want to really push heavy on that flank. I need to adjust and meet them. Get to this clearing right here. Start taking shots, I'm gonna pause it. Are they moving forwards? Doesn't look like it on the map. Oh, I think they are actually. Okay, hang on. Pause. Everybody's supposed to go there. Okay, let's get everybody to run. Get in position real quick. I'm not scared of those ballistas with all these trees. They are just adjusting their line, it looks like. Unless the archers are actually moving forward. That's a lot of spears, though. So it gives me the high ground on them. Let's adjust a little bit on this flank. See how that does. That is... No. No. How do I... Actually, you know what? That works. That's totally fine with me. Because that, again, just gives me more of the high ground, actually. And the AI won't know what to do soon, and they'll flip out. The more confused I can get them, the better. Okay, they're moving the crossbowmen. From this side, it looks like. Okay. All my archers are... firing, good deal. Trying to play this as safe as I can. Now they're retreating back. I don't know if we killed any of them. No, we didn't kill any of them. May have hit a few of them. Now the archers are pulling forward again. If the archers get far enough away from the rest of their line, I can hit them with my cavalry. My general right here. Why are you where you are? Oh, that's totally fine. So they're moving forward with the spear militia. They did adjust their line to meet me. Oh, they're in such a big blob. If only I had ballistas myself. Where are the... Did those guys join the line? They did, they joined the main line. That is not what I wanted. It should have stayed in the same formation, I don't know why. You know, whatever. Let's get everybody just brace for impact. Brace, boys, brace. Oh, they're getting torn to pieces on those, my archers, though. So that's really good. We have to rely on the cavalry to flank behind them now. Spear militia coming heavy on that side. Let's push on this side. See if we can fold the flanks over there. It looks like these guys are getting ignored heavily. This looks like a bunch of archers. Okay, so we need to flank over here. These Kerns are going to be doing their job. Run these guys off over here if you can. I cannot see anything with these trees. Seriously, can I turn these trees off or something? The general over here. Okay. These guys over this way. Fold in the flank as much as we can. We're going to lose some men, but that's totally fine. As long as these guys stay back and keep firing, I don't really care. Get the general over here. Our general's taking some fire. I cannot see! That's why I didn't want to fight in the forest. Get over here where those Kerns are. Are they already retreating? What's happening? Oh, the Welsh spearman's already retreating. Interesting. Yeah, these guys are, I guess, in a good spot, whatever. What are these guys? Oh, I'm sure these guys have pulled in the flanks. Yeah, charge those spearmen over there. Run into them. General's in position, I think. Spearmen. Oh, we have some spear militia back there. As good as a general is, he's not good enough to fight some militia. So let's get him over here into the clear openness. Actually see what I'm doing, maybe. Okay, so we can charge this bodyguard in the back. Natives are taking fire. Pulling the flakes over here. Alright, general, charge the back of that general.
If we remain true and steadfast,
You're charging uphill, but you're getting charged or not. Get those crossbowmen. The Kerns, and then the armies, their whole army's basically running, but I cannot see what's happening. Just push forward, everybody just advance. We need to crush them while they're down. You guys need to come over here. We need to pull this general out because he's going to die. We got these guys descending upon the enemy general over here. You come over here. I need you to chase these guys down if you can. Get the ballista. Just run them down. What are you doing? I cannot see what's happening. There's a massive rout going on here, so we really routed them, and I don't think we took that many losses, but I cannot see what's happening. I don't even care about killing him right now, honestly. Continue the battle. We need to run them down as much as we can. Run them down, man. What you doing? Everybody get in here. Everybody run them down. Oh, first of all, hold on. You guys need to stop firing. Halt. Halt. Definitely you halt, and you halt as well. You can halt, and you halt. Hold up. Okay, cool. General, I need to run them down, guy. Run them down. What are you doing? Come on. Kill up! Big group over here. We need to get all these guys. I don't want these guys coming back to haunt us tomorrow. Not like really tomorrow, but you know. You're chasing them down. Good, good, good. We're not going to get that big blob there, but that's fine. If we can somehow get them, that'd be fine. I told you to stop firing. Stop it. Get them. Go get them right now. Get as many of them as you can. These guys took 20 minutes to chase it down. We got a few of them before they cross. That's good. If I could have seen what was happening, that would have been a much better battle. I would have taken more time, but I wasn't able to see what was going on. So where are the rest of them fleeing? Over here. Did I not tell everybody to stop firing? Hey. Stop firing. Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Alright, or just ignore my orders completely. Just stop. If only I could run them down more. Probably could fight this army again, honestly. Let's just speed this up. So many of their units got away. How much did my army did I lose? 19%. I didn't think I actually lost that much, but please kill them. I want to get as many of them as I can, even these guys. Did you kill them? I can't tell. You're just standing there, so I guess you did. So annoying. Get up. It's one guy. Please get him. Thank you.
Goes to only men of great virtue and valor.
I'd say it's a good death ratio. 348 for 1,628. Yeah, we captured 852 of them. Inflicted crossbowmen. Interesting. Prisoners caught, though, the general's bodyguard. Ooh, and the Gallows got a lot too. Hopefully we can chase these guys down. They might actually retreat to the city, though. To a city. Or a town, rather. That would be a lot of money, but no. King Edward has enough dread, so... Yes, that's what's remaining of their army. I cannot reach them. Move up here. Just go over here. There we go. Alright, I'd call that a success. We still have a sustainable force to go up and take Nass Skin, if we can. Or Naxin. Canmore's heading there. We're going to be talking to Devon soon, once we get here. Just showing that this is Devon's lands. No, what is that? Brickia? No, it's under. So Brickia's like around here or something, I think. There's also Spanish. Very large force there. Once we get more money, I'll put a fort here as well as I have one there. So we got an army down here we could form with a bunch of spear militia and these guys. And we can get Highland nobles now, which I want to say about forward. They have really good attack, decent defense. They're really good. They have a nice charge bonus. They're really low upkeep, so they're really good to have. Now, what I want to really upgrade is the stables and probably the stables next, actually, because I don't really have strong cavalry. I need to get my cavalry as soon as I can. Well, that is my turn. After we look at this, take the human factions. We're all still alive, as you can see. I am now down bottom overall. But I'm fine with that, because I just defeated a very large English army. I don't really care. Militarily, we're up there with everybody else. Looks like the Spanish actually are lowest militarily. That's interesting. Production, we're down bottom. That is us. Yes, I understand. Don't really mind that, though. Territorial, we're not gaining as much as we should, but I mean, I'm trying to head up here and take this. And I'll take this if I can. But the main prize I want is Naxin, so. Financial, kind of all over the place for everybody, really. It's up and down. Population. Alright, well, I think that's it for this turn, so I'm going to send it off to Valdokia, and that is it. If you like the video, please check everyone else's description or channel in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.